And there you have it, okay? Had lots of fun at my family house. And now time for the final thought, okay? So, anyway, by my cousin saying chill with the camera, close this door here. There. Alright. So anyway, as I was saying, y'all, it was lots of fun over there at the family house, you know. I mean, it was a short episode. I wish Samara would have been there, you know. Beautiful Samara. At least Malia was there. Hey, you know something? I know I said it in my previous episode at the Mardi Gras parade one day, but Samara and Malia look alike, you know. Yes, indeed. It's like they twins or something, you know. It's just like they twins. Beautiful, too. Very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I love those two, you know. So, what I'm very happy about is by them seeing seeing Malia at that, you know. My partner Greg, that's still my partner regardless of what, you know. But I don't want to say nothing personal, but we gonna skip that, okay? All right. So anyway, what I want to talk about, family, friends, you know. Merry Christmas to all my family and friends, you know. Rochelle, Kristen, Gabe, Allie. I would like to say Merry Christmas to Tanya Lopez and Tanya Lee, okay? Married name, or should I say Tanya Lil T, or whatever. Merry Christmas to Kirsten, my beautiful friend Brittany, that smiled so much. When I first met this girl, Brittany, she looked like she had I'm untying my shoes right now, y'all. Okay? And she looked at all mean and stuff, you know. But as I got to know her, she's sweet as a dove, okay? I never thought I would ever see beautiful Brittany smile. I hope she appear on my show one day. She never had an appearance on my show before, you know. But I don't know when that's gonna happen though. But I hope one day that Brittany appear on my show, you know. So, I mean, family is very important. Like Thaddeus say, if you don't have family, you don't have nothing, okay? All this stuff I got here, video games and stuff like that, I could lose that too. This house, I could lose that. My TV show, I could lose that too, okay? So, on the contrary on that, I'm good. God is good all the time, and I'm very happy for what I have. This show, my computer, my NES and stuff like that, you know, I love video games a lot. I guess video games a lot all the time, you know, and I love it, okay? I love video games, I love it all, okay? All right, so thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show, like Bob Barker said, and I'm going to continue on saying that every time I do my show, episode-wise, okay? Help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered, okay? Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show, Christmas episode, okay? Bye-bye.